Hello, my name is Carly, but I go by Cass. I grew up in a small town in rural Mississippi, chunky. We had a gas station and a church. Population was about 300. In 2017, that's when I first started college at the University of West Alabama. I started on my 17th birthday, and I was initially an electrical engineering major, dual math. Met my then husband, so I quit school for a little while and then moved up here to Birmingham, where now me and my husband live with our 2-year-old daughter. I'm still studying electrical engineering, but my hope is to be a pediatric dentist. A few things about me: I love crocheting, I love being outdoors, and I have a bit of appreciation for the weird and wacky. So my hair obviously stands out, but I believe, what, I'm going to do it now before, everyone questions my intelligence based on my appearance. At least there's no consequences really now. Looking forward to this class, as English has always been something that's been really kind of difficult for me, but I've enjoyed the challenge. The reason I've gravitated towards STEM is more likely, formulas: A plus B equals C. There's not really arguing there. Whereas in English, somebody can talk about the blue curtains, and one person can say, well, oh, that means they're talking about his depression. And another person can be like, well, no, it's talking about this. And I don't know, that debate that happens sometimes between literature is really interesting.